Hello student, welcome back from St. Paul's High School. My name is Khushbu Shukla, as you know that. Now my dear children, as we have learned in our last video about nature, yes, in that we have learned about our solar system. So my dear children, today we will be learning about the second part of nature, that is continents and oceans. Okay children, do you know how many continents are there and how many oceans are there? Now my dear children, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Now children, the upper part of the earth is said to be the North Pole and the lower southern part is known as South Pole. Now children, are you ready to learn about continents and oceans? Alright, let's begin. The continents covers 29% of landmass area. Now my dear children, we'll see the first continent, that is Asia. Asia is the world's largest continent in size and population. India is situated in the Asian continent. Now children, we'll see the second continent, that is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent of the world, which is home to the largest river, that is Nile, and largest desert, which is known as Sahara Desert. Now dear children, we'll see the third continent, that is Australia. Australia is the world's smallest continent and is also known as an island continent, as it surrounds by water on all the sides. Now dear children, we'll see the fourth continent, that is Antarctica. Antarctica is not only the coldest place on the earth but also highest, windiest, driest and emptiest place, which covers 75% of the world's ice and 70% of the world's fresh water. Now we'll see fifth continent, that is Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in the world. Finland in Europe is called the land of lakes because melting ice sheets have created a lot of lakes here. Now we'll see the next continent, that is North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. There are 23 countries in North America. Now dear children, we'll see the last continent, that is South America. In South America, the world's largest river as per volume of water and the second longest river is known as the Amazon. Now my dear children, we will learn about 5 oceans. Oceans covers 71% of water bodies on the earth's surface. Now my dear children, we'll see the first ocean, that is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Now we'll see the second ocean, that is Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. The Atlantic Ocean is the world's richest fishing waters and is also contains rich natural gas. Now we'll see the third ocean, that is the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It is source of the oil hub. Now children will see the fourth ocean, that is Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. It is the second smallest ocean in the world. Now we'll see the last ocean, that is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. It is also known as the coldest of all the oceans. Now children, I will give you few questions related to this topic. That is your homework. Now children will see the questions. Answer in one word. Now children, in the bracket I have given you the option. With the help of option you are going to write the answers. Okay. Now I am reading out the options. Indian Ocean, Asia continent, Arctic Ocean, Antarctica continent, Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Europe continent, and the last is Africa continent. Now I am reading out the question, children. First question is, which is the largest continent in the world? Now the second question is, what is also known as the Southern Ocean? Now the third question is, in which continent Finland is situated? Now my dear children, we'll see the fourth question. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Now we'll see the next question. That is the fifth one. In which continent the largest river Nile is located? Now we'll see the next question. That is the sixth one. Which continent is the coldest of all? Now we'll see the second last question. That is the seventh one. Which is the coldest ocean in the world? Now we'll see the last question. That is the eighth one. Which ocean is the source of oil hub? Now my dear children, this is your assignment. I hope everyone is going to complete the assignment. Okay children, I will teach you the third part of nature in our next video from St. Paul's High School. Take care, be safe, be healthy. Bye.